Hey guys, I'm the LockPicking Patrolman, and today the lock that I have is a challenge lock that was pinned up by Big Willy, the locksmith, and the name of it is the Boobie patch. My fiance just can't help but break out into laughter every time I say the name of this lock. Anyway, it's a quick set cylinder. Has a little catch in the key, getting it in there. There is a warning on the key tag saying do not turn past, I believe that's supposed to be 180. Looks like 90, but I believe it's supposed to be 180, but just to be on the safe side, I haven't turned it past 90 degrees. So anyway, let me get it mounted up in the vise and we'll get to picking on it. Alright, we've got this lock mounted up in the vise. Here's the key. Stick it in. Works great, except for that little catch. Just right there near the beginning. Feels like T-pin maybe. Or I don't know if maybe it's something on the back there. But anyway, we'll get it apart, see what could be causing that. Top of the keyway tension clockwise with a medium hook, and I'm going to apply I guess my regular tensioning, just moderate to heavy. See if we can get a binding pin here. Okay, back here I believe on 4, a little bit of feedback maybe. Okay, now got a couple clicks out of 2. I think we've got 2 set now. Working our way back. There's 3, 4 again. Okay, good click out of 4. Let's see what 5 has to say. Okay, good click out of 5. 4 is solid now. Let's go back to the front. I believe that's 1. Couple clicks. Started to feel some counter rotation, but okay, there was 2. We got it open. Nice. This lock is another one of those challenge locks that will either pop right open or take you 3 days to get it picked. We'll get this. Let's see here. Gonna try not to lock it up. Also try to be very careful when getting this lock. Just because we don't know what's inside of it. Grab my pinning tray. Okay, I can already, let's see. I wonder if this is one of those skeletonized plugs that would go in this lock. I guess we'll see here in just a second. Yep, it is definitely a skeletonized plug. We can see a lot of work going on here. Let's see, undercutting in 1, got this cross cut on 2. Feels like maybe a little bit of undercutting. Threading in 3, undercut in 4, and some undercut in 5. So let's dump these pins out. Okay, there's 1. Let's see, he was in there that way. Get you guys focused in there a little bit better. 2. 3. These are some awesome looking key pins. 4. And I think I can see where this, at least start to see maybe where this lock gets its name from. Anyway, let's remove the shim. Go in to see what's upstairs. Alright, one is a very nice homemade. I'll set that right there. Nice steel spring. Two is another great looking homemade serrated or spool. Okay, another steel spring. Sorry if that went out of frame there, guys. Just trying to grab that spring out of there without causing too much trouble. Okay, three is a serrated. Again with another steel spring. Four is a spool. Okay, and I just launched five out of there. Looks like the springs are the same. I believe that's the way that guy came out. Actually, I think it was like that, how he popped out of there. Yeah, springs are the same. Now, I don't remember who sent me this lock. Not off the top of my head, so if you sent it to me, then please remind me in the comments. Don't see anything done upstairs to the Bible. Let's see. Alright, let's get you guys in for a close-up. All these cool looking pins. And in one we've got a nice short little key pin. It's been kind of cut down. Let me pull you guys back just a hair so it'll focus a little bit better. Okay, the top pin is this nice homemade, I guess we can call it a serrated spool. I don't know exactly what you would call that. Two is same thing with the key pin, serration, and then a tapered top to it, along with a double serration, very, very deep serrated key pin. Three has the same serrated key pin, driver pin on number two. Key pin for three has some serrations and then a deep cut in it here before tapering back up. Short little spool. Number four, again, another one of these key pins that has a deep cut in it near the top. Tapers up, goes to a commercial spool. And then finally, five has these two really nice serrations, thin cuts. I think this is probably from picking on it since it's been made, where it's flattened that one out. And then this tricky little nice deep cut serration. Springs are all the same, and we looked at the course. So Big Willie, thank you for putting this lock together and sending it out for us. And again, whoever sent this to me, thank you. And please let me know in the comments below. Guys, please remember, don't pick anything that you're not supposed to, because I might have to visit you in a professional capacity, and that wouldn't be fun. All right, guys, have a great day.